Hey guys, my name is Agatha and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're just basically going to be doing a natural, this bit right here, everyday makeup look. Like you can literally carry this makeup everywhere and it's very easy to achieve. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. You hear me? So before we start, I'm just going to get my hair clipped to get the hair out of the way. So next I'm just going to be moisturizing my lips because my lips has its own mind of, or he has a mind of his own. It's always dry and I don't know. So next I'll just go with my moisturizer. I have this Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer SPF 15. It's all Screen Bird Spectrum SPF 15 and I have this Simple Sensitive Skin Expert, also a moisturizer. So I'm just going to be using the two of them because I want my skin to be really moisturized before we start. So I'm just going to be mixing these two foundations. I have the MAC Studio Face Fluid in the shade NW44. That's this. And I have the ZIKEL Even True. ZIKEL is a Nigerian brand. I'm going to be mixing it. This is the shade 030 Bronze. I'm going to be mixing it with the M.A.C Cosmetics foundation. The ZIKEL foundation is actually a full coverage, but when I used this Studio Fix M.A.C foundation alone, I didn't really like the coverage. I think it's medium coverage because it was just like there was nothing on my skin and I don't really like that. That's why I have to mix it up with the ZIKEL with fuller coverage. Alright, you can see the glow on it. Like, this is what I like. Come on. I don't want to do this for no reason and it still looks like it's just bare skin. I prefer this to just using the M.A.C foundation alone. Finishing like super glowy and beautiful. Concealer, I'm going to be using the M.A.C Concealer 24 hours. NW42. The NW43 is lighter than the 42, so I'll put this one in my inner corners and this one at the outer one. You can see the difference between the two shades. That out. I'm just going to blend that out. A little trick you can also do is to add your foundation to your beauty blender or beauty sponge, whichever you choose to call it, while you're blending. While you're blending out your concealer, just for a smooth finish. Yeah. So I'm using a damp sponge. You don't want to use a dry sponge. You have to use it damp, not really wet, just moist a bit. just added a little more of the lighter foundation to my inner corner to brighten up that place a little more. I usually use my foundation to contour. I prefer it that way. I don't know how to explain it, but like I prefer it like that. I prefer using my foundation to contour. To go in and spray my face with the M.A.C Cosmetics M.A.C Cosmetics Prep Prime Fix. This is the normal one. There are actually 3 types. This is the normal one. They have the one for mattifying, and I don't know what the other one is for. I think this one is okay for a dewy look. So I'm just going to spray my face. This is how it's looking after the concealer and contour. So next I'll be going in with my Studio Fix M.A.C powder plus foundation. This is really nice, just smoothing. My contour, I'm using the NC47, the same powder. And the sachet. Brows. So now I'm done with my brows. Next I'm going to go to the eyeshadow. I don't think I need much eyeshadow because I'm going for a simple makeup, like something you can carry every day. So I'm just going to use shadow palette. This is ZIKEL and FAVOUR collaboration eyeshadow palette, shade Maybelline and the Njideka. Yeah, Njideka is going to be used for my crease area because it's more like a dark brown shade. I'm just using it to define. to look like there's nothing there, but still there's something there. I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah. So next, I'm just going to use this MAC First Lashes Maximizer. Yes, Maximizer. Alright, this is like a primer for your mask. So I'm going to use that first before using my mascara. You can decide not to use false lashes, but for me, I'm going to add false lashes to this because I like it. I have already very long lashes. I don't know if it's like orange, something like that. So that's what I'm going to use for my blush. Just this is also MAC. So guys, yeah, I think we're done. I'll just spray this for so thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked this video, oh god, I'm just admiring myself, I'm sorry. Thank you guys for watching this video. We've come to the end of this video, and if you liked this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.